Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'll be showing you how I make this DIY protein treatment for my transitioning hair. I'll try by adding 1 egg into the bowl. I'll be using some mayonnaise and I'll be adding about 3 tablespoons of the mayonnaise into the bowl. I'll be adding some oils too. One of the oils is coconut oil. I'll be adding half tablespoon of coconut oil. That's half tablespoon. I'll also be using olive oil and I'll be adding half tablespoon of olive oil too into the mixture. I'll be using some Jamaican black castor oil. The castor oil with argan oil in it. So I'll be adding about quarter of a tablespoon. I'll just be eyeballing it using this spoon. This is the quantity I'll be using, so I'll add it into the mixture. Let me set this aside. Then I'll go ahead and mix everything together so that I will have a smooth paste. So this is how it looks after being properly mixed together. Okay, this is the consistency that I have. Guys, I'll go ahead and section my hair into different parts and apply it to my hair. I use 3 scoops of the mayonnaise because my hair is not long. But if your hair is longer, you can use more scoops of the mayonnaise and also add additional egg. This treatment helps to strengthen the hair. It helps to increase the volume of the hair by making it thicker, longer, and more healthier. It also helps in minimizing breakage. This treatment should be used once every month or once in 6 weeks. I'll go ahead and continue applying the treatment to my hair and make sure that the entire hair gets this treatment. If your hair is dry before you get to the other parts, you can moisturize it a little before you continue adding the protein treatment. applying this treatment, this is how my hair looks. I'll go ahead and use my satin bonnet and also my shower cap. I'll put on my shower cap first, followed by my satin bonnet. I'll leave this treatment on my hair for 30 minutes. You can also leave it for 1 hour depending on how long you want it to stay on your hair, but for mine I'll just leave it for 30 minutes and then I rinse it off with cold water. This is how my hair looks after rinsing with cold water. I still have some residue on my hair, but it's okay. So this is how my hair looks after rinsing it with cold water. Do not rinse with hot water. You have to use cold water. If you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video. Leave a comment for me in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.